Morning everybody, here we are at Mudlo National Park, which is just outside Kilkivan. I'm going to take you for a bit of a look through there. It's remnants of a bit of rainforest through here, and a lot of the trees here are at the limit of their normal range. Now, Mudlo was once a timber getting area, and it later attracted copper and gold miners to the Kilkivan area as well. So Queensland's first gold discovery was at Kilkivan in 1852. Anyway, let's go and have a look. Don't let anyone ever tell you there's no fairies in the forest. So it's actually really dry here at Mudlo National Park. Tried to take some photos of ferns and stuff, but they're just all curling over, really dry. But it's actually quite cool here, which today is the important thing for me. Let's keep going. So the big question now, to climb or not to climb? I think there's a lot of stairs from memory. We made it up to Pearson's Lookout eventually. I'll give you a look around now. You're quite spectacular. So it looks like we made it safely back down the mountain. There is a picnic place at the top. We'll take a drive up there, show you around. So up here on top of the range they've got a picnic table and barbecue, and just across the road there's a little block of toilets. There's a little look at Mudlo National Park, which is just outside Kilkivan on the Sunshine Coast of Queensland, Australia. If you'd like to see more of that sort of thing, drop us a comment, and don't forget to please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future trips. Not sure where we'll be off to next, but I'll work it out in the next couple of weeks. See you later.